Wagwan. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I transformed these scarves from the dollar store into this beautiful ruffled crop top. Okay, so since I'm making this top backless, I will only need to cut out the front piece. So you'll just use your tape measure to cut out what your bust across is, and then you can cut out the front layer. So now I'm just going to make adjustments to ensure that it's cut straight. Okay, so now I'm going to use the other piece of the scarf to cut out the ruffles. The material is about 10 inches, so I'm going to make each ruffle about 3¼ inches long. Okay, so I'm going to use my needle and thread to base one of the ruffles. That way it'll be easier to adjust it once I place it onto the top. I'm going to repeat this step for all three layers of the ruffle. So now I'm going to use my needles just to pin it onto the top and adjust the ruffles as I go. Now I'm going to repeat those same steps for the other two layers. Once I've gotten it all pinned down, I am going to sew them on with my machine. Okay, so once I've gotten the ruffles sewn on, I'm going to use that last piece of fabric that I have left to make the piece to tie on the back of the shirt. So I'm going to cut that into 2 even halves and then pin that onto the 2 ends. Use my machine to sew it down. That way I can tie the shirt on.